Today we are going to learn about optimizing subplot annotations in Matplotlib. By the end of this tutorial, you will master the skills to effectively implement and customize annotations to enhance clarity and impact in your data visualizations. Annotations in data visualization are vital because they help clarify and emphasize specific data points or trends, making it easier for the audience to interpret the visualized data. Matplotlib, a popular data visualization library in Python, offers robust tools for adding and customizing annotations. In this video, we'll explore how annotations can significantly enhance your graphs, making your reports more professional and your data storytelling more effective. By the end, you'll be equipped with practical techniques to implement and style annotations, ensuring your visualizations are both clear and impactful. Annotations serve as a bridge between raw data and audience comprehension. They are essential for highlighting key data points, explaining trends, and providing context within complex datasets. In professional reports, clear annotations can transform a confusing graph into a powerful storytelling tool, guiding the viewer's focus to the most critical insights. By using annotations effectively, you can improve the communication of your data, ensuring that the viewer understands the significance of what you're presenting. As we delve deeper into Matplotlib's annotation capabilities, remember that the ultimate goal is to enhance the story your data tells. Matplotlib provides a powerful annotate function, which is the cornerstone for adding text annotations to your plots. The basic syntax involves specifying the text, the point to be annotated, and optionally, the text's appearance and placement. You can also use arrow properties to connect the annotation to a specific data point, making it visually clear what is being referenced. For instance, a simple annotation might highlight a peak in a time series graph, using an arrow to directly point to the peak value. As we proceed, we'll build on these basics to create more complex and effective annotations.
Customization of annotations is crucial for ensuring that your text stands out and is legible. Matplotlib allows you to adjust font properties such as family, style, weight, and size. Choosing the right color is also important. It should contrast well with the background and other plot elements to ensure readability. Additionally, the size of the text should be proportionate to the plot scale and the importance of the information being conveyed. Consistency in styling across multiple annotations helps maintain a professional appearance and aids in the viewer's comprehension. Accurate positioning of annotations is key to effective communication. Annotations should be aligned with the relevant data points, using offsets and alignment options to fine-tune their placement. Matplotlib offers dynamic positioning techniques, such as using data coordinates for precise placement and adjusting offsets to avoid overlap with plot elements. It's important to ensure that annotations do not clutter the visualization or obscure important data, as this can detract from readability and clarity. By taking care to position annotations thoughtfully, you can enhance the viewer's understanding and avoid common pitfalls.
Annotations are powerful tools for storytelling, transforming raw data into a narrative that engages and informs the audience. By highlighting trends and anomalies, annotations can draw attention to the most significant aspects of the data. This helps build a coherent story that guides the viewer through the insights presented. Effective storytelling with annotations involves not just identifying key points, but also arranging them in a logical sequence that maintains the audience's interest. We'll explore examples where annotations have been used to create compelling narratives, illustrating the potential of this technique in professional contexts. In a world where data is constantly changing, dynamic annotations are invaluable. Matplotlib's event handling capabilities allow annotations to adapt to data updates, ensuring that they remain relevant and accurate. This is particularly useful in interactive applications and real-time data visualizations, where the data being displayed can change frequently. By implementing interactive updates, you can create annotations that respond to user input or automated changes in data, enhancing the interactivity and utility of your visualizations. We'll discuss practical use cases and demonstrate how dynamic annotations can be implemented in Matplotlib. While annotations can greatly enhance a plot, there are common pitfalls to avoid. Overcrowding the plot with too many annotations can make it difficult for the viewer to focus on the most important information. Poor color and font choices can lead to readability issues, while inconsistent styling across annotations can create a disjointed appearance. Most importantly, annotations should not obscure critical data points, as this can detract from the plot's clarity and effectiveness. By understanding these common mistakes, you can ensure that your annotations enhance rather than detract from your visualizations. Let's apply what we've learned in a practical case study, focusing on annotating a financial chart. We'll start with a dataset representing stock prices over time, identifying key points such as peaks, troughs, and trends. Using Matplotlib, we'll apply annotation techniques to highlight these points, customizing font, color, and size for clarity. We'll ensure the annotations are positioned accurately, using dynamic techniques to adapt to any changes in the dataset. Finally, we'll review the annotated chart, ensuring it effectively communicates the financial story we want to tell. This case study will consolidate your understanding and demonstrate the real-world application of these techniques. In conclusion, mastering annotations in Matplotlib is a powerful skill that enhances your ability to communicate data effectively. We've covered the importance of annotations, basic and advanced techniques, customization options, and how to avoid common pitfalls. Annotations are crucial for enhancing data interpretation and storytelling, making your visualizations more effective and professional. As you continue to practice and apply these techniques, you'll become more adept at using annotations to enhance the clarity and impact of your data visualizations. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial, and we encourage you to experiment with these tools in your own projects.